Is our sexy new school uniform?
You can't say that! Come on! I cannot right up. Chloe, is it nice? What is it you're eating?
I want my sausage rolls back. And me.
What is it you're eating?
Leaning.
Is your food nice, do it again.
I come from Africa. This tastes good.
No, I'm standing here.
Come on, go.
I like how our dining room has been newly decorated, especially these cherries. I like cherries.
See that all the corridors have now been painted, so it looks a lot nicer. We've also got rid of the lockers, so there's more room around. Yeah, hang on.
The work that the pupils have done is now being put up. I was talking. This is our sports centre and we're very proud to have our own sports centre at Arabella. Miss Cooper, what do you think of the school?
Do you think it's
I've got some
improved?
lovely girls, but I think sometimes they're very lazy because they don't come to my aerobics lessons.
No, that's not the school though, is it? That's the pupils.
Yeah, but the pupils are in the school.
Well, how?
So they could be, they're already fit as, but they could be super fit if they came to my aerobics.
Or do you think the school's improved?
Well, no, it's not if they all turn up.
How?
We have people like...
With the manager, behaviour managers, that's how.
Do you think people are getting more good now? Instead of naughty?
I don't know, it depends what lesson they're in, but yeah, we have got some nice people. Especially the ones that come to my aerobics.
Thank you! Things to do. You can play basketball in the gym, for instance, with the lads.
And the lady.
We're now in the squash and we can come in here at lunchtime and watch them. Get it? Father's left. Father's in my way.
I'm so sorry.
Or you can come and use the gym and work out.
All that's improved because at lunchtime they give us more things to do.
Go! Just pull it up. Tom,
show us your sexy muscles, Tom. Oi, stick on. Show us your muscles.
One thing that's improved in this school is the maths block with new tables, new carpet.
I see that there is not a lot of litter around to do with the bins that have been put in place all around the school. We now have a new IT room and new flat computer screens.
I like the new house system. It has made things more competitive. Apollo rules. Mr. Woodman has made this school amazing.
Having got nothing to do with the moon.
About Apollo.
Apollo rules.
Apollo. He's Murphy.
What did you Negative point about our school, the taps still don't work. And they haven't been working for about 2 years now, so we're going to see if we can get that sorted out.
This school is quite a safe place, but occasionally there are accidents.
The negative point about the sports area is that the vending machines don't work. But then if you think about it, we're all full of chocolate anyway, we've got a healthy eating policy. We have naughty people come onto the school. No, this is a naughty boy that down the school. Here is a naughty boy that lets down the school. What is he doing? Daniel Bailey named and shamed.
I'm rushing, sorry.
Just get on down and hit me. That body's getting so funky now, hit me. Yeah, just hit me. It's time to chase your dreams about the seats. Make your body sway. Socialize. Get down. Let your soul lead the way. Shake it now. Go, ladies. It's a living dream. Love, life, live. Come play the game. Our world is free. Do it to us but free.
What? Record a bum.
Miss, say what you like about school, go on.
Everything.
That's alright.